Every smartphone has a story behind it. It's made to cater to a certain segment of the market. That's why we always say that there is no perfect smartphone for everyone, but there is a perfect smartphone for you. So what's the story with this smartphone, the OnePlus 12R? Well, it's a pretty interesting story and one that we will talk about, but first, let's have a look at the unboxing experience. OnePlus is one of the few brands out there in the premium segment who still provide a lot of things inside the box. You get a black color plastic case, some paperwork, stickers, a membership card and the trusty SIM card ejector tool. The next thing inside the box is the OnePlus 12R itself in this grey color. We will keep it aside for now. Then we have a 100-watt charger included inside the box itself. That's a rarity these days. Good job, OnePlus. And last but not the least is the red color USB cable for charging and data transfer. Let's get back to the main thing, that is the smartphone. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead, set up the OnePlus 12R, use it for a while, and then we will get back to its story. OnePlus did a fabulous job in 2023. Great smartphones across all price segments. And they're starting this year with a bang. They launched two smartphones, OnePlus 12 and 12R. 12 being the more expensive one, priced at Rs 64,999, and this one, the OnePlus 12R, being the more affordable one, priced at Rs 39,999. So there is a difference of 25,000 rupees between both of these smartphones, but not a lot of difference in terms of the features. And that's the story with this smartphone. It offers 90% of the smartphone for 60% of the price, and that is a very interesting story. Honestly, it all starts with the performance. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, LPDDR5X RAM and UFS 4.0 storage. What else do you need, right? Incredible performance throughout. Apps open quickly, the UI is fast and smooth, and I did not notice any lags whatsoever. Like, it's a super smooth experience. And in 2024, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is still overkill for most of the people out there. Unless you're playing a heavy game for a couple of hours, you are not going to push the CPU at all. Normal applications like Instagram, WhatsApp, YouTube, Google Pay, Google Drive, everything works super smooth and there is no lag whatsoever. Like, you will have a great experience in terms of the performance. And yeah, you can definitely play heavy games as well. And for this price point that is under 40,000 rupees, Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 is the best processor out there. OnePlus has also done a great job in terms of optimizing the performance for the 12R. Let me quickly have a sip of my coffee. Yes, you heard that right. I'm drinking coffee today because I just felt like drinking coffee. But still, chai is going to be my number one love. Software wise, you get Oxygen OS 14 out of the box based on Android 14. Now that is a good thing, Android 14 is there, and I also got a software update as soon as I unboxed the smartphone. The software update improved the overall experience of the smartphone and also had some improvements for the camera. That's why I instantly installed the update. Now as far as the software experience goes, I have a very good way to summarize the software experience. So the software experience is similar to what you get with Oppo and Realme smartphones minus the bloatware. And that is the best explanation for Oxygen OS. It is literally the same software as Oppo and Realme but does not have any bloatware, and that is a thing that I appreciate, no bloatware. But regardless, using Oxygen OS on this smartphone is a great experience. It's not like the experience is bad or something like that. The experience is good. You get a lot of useful features and customizations as well. And as I said, the UI is very fast and snappy. Now we come to the display. Now first and foremost, the OnePlus 12R does come with a curved display. It is not a flat display, and honestly I do not like that. I would have preferred a flat display over a curved one. It's a 6.78 inches AMOLED display with 120Hz refresh rate, and it is an LTPO panel, that too LTPO 4.0. So basically the refresh rate will dynamically adjust between 1Hz and 120Hz, and LTPO works really well on this display. And the display quality is also great. Consuming content is an immersive experience on the OnePlus 12R. The viewing angles are great, the colors are very good, the contrast ratio is excellent, and overall just a top-notch display. OnePlus has not cut corners in terms of the display. And the display is protected by Gorilla Glass Victus 2, so that is present as well. And yeah, you also get an in-display fingerprint sensor. The position of the in-display fingerprint sensor has slightly been moved up, which is more comfortable now as compared to the previous generation. So now you might be wondering that for 40,000 rupees, the OnePlus 12R seems like a great deal. Snapdragon 8 Gen 2, that awesome display. Where have they cut corners? Where one place where they've cut corners is with the camera. So you get two cameras on the rear side. The primary one is a 50 megapixel sensor Sony IMX890, and the second one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle camera. That's where they've cut corners. So the main camera is great. You can shoot awesome photos and videos with the main camera. First, if we talk about the photos, they are detailed, high quality, dynamic range is super impressive, and the colors are good as well. They're not the best colors out there because it's typical OnePlus color science, but still the colors are good. And genuinely you can shoot great photos with the main camera. Same goes for videos as well. For the price, you can shoot good videos with the OnePlus 12R. They are not great videos, they're not the best videos out there, but you can shoot good high quality videos with the main camera. But the story is not the same with the ultra wide angle camera. The ultra wide angle camera is inconsistent and the photos are soft as well. I did not like the ultra wide angle camera on the OnePlus 12R. And the only reason I did not like it is because of the price of the smartphone. If this ultra wide angle camera comes at 25,000 rupees, I'm completely okay with it. But for 40,000 rupees, the ultra wide angle camera should have been better. Definitely the corners have been cut over here, and that is expected because you cannot get everything for 40,000 rupees. Now what about the front camera? So the front camera is a 16 megapixel shooter. It can shoot good photos, but as far as videos go, it cannot shoot in 4K. It maxes out at 1080p 30 fps, and that is kind of disappointing for a smartphone which is priced at 40,000 rupees. Now this footage is being shot with the OnePlus 12R itself using the front camera at 1080p 30 fps, so you can get a clear idea about the video quality as well as the microphone quality of this smartphone. So let me know about that in the comment section down below. But I honestly feel that 4K video recording with the front camera should have been there. I hope you get the clear picture, pun intended, about the OnePlus 12R's camera. Alright, next up we have battery life and charging. OnePlus 12R comes with a 5500 mAh battery with 100 watt charging. The 100 watt charger will completely charge the smartphone in 25 to 30 minutes, which is incredibly fast and very convenient, and you get the charger inside the box itself. And the battery life on this smartphone has been nothing short of incredible. The 5500 mAh battery combined with Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and the LTPO panel gives you a very good battery experience. If you are a normal user like me, you can use it for a full day and then some as well. Maybe like 1.5 days easily. Battery life honestly has been very good with the OnePlus 12R. Now there is no wireless charging with the OnePlus 12R, which should have been there according to me. Some smartphones under 30,000 now are coming with wireless charging, so I feel that OnePlus should have included that. I'm not saying super fast wireless charging. A 10 watt wireless charging will also do, and same goes for IP67 or IP68 rating. It does not have that rating. It should have that rating because, as I said, smartphones under 30,000 are coming with an IP68 rating. So I don't know why OnePlus is not giving an official IP rating. They should do that because these small things matter a lot in the overall experience of the smartphone and also matter to the end consumer. Now what about the design and build quality? The OnePlus 12R is extremely comfortable to hold and has an ergonomic design as well. It does not feel like I'm holding a brick in my hand. It feels like I'm holding a premium and well-designed smartphone. That's the experience that you get with the OnePlus 12R. And they have not cheaped out in terms of the build quality. You get very good build quality. As I said, you get Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection on the front side, and you also get a metal frame. That is incredible. But they cut corners with the IP68 rating. One design aspect that I absolutely love is the alert slider. Alert slider is there and very convenient to use. I'm really glad that they did not remove the alert slider. It is there. And yeah, you also get an IR blaster with this smartphone. Basically, you can use this smartphone to control your appliances like TVs, ACs, and other appliances which have an IR remote. A very handy tool. I also like the pair of stereo speakers that you get with the OnePlus 12R. They're plenty loud and do not distort. All things considered, the OnePlus 12R is a very good package and offers incredible value. As I said, it offers 90% of the phone for 60% of the price, and that's the story with the OnePlus 12R. So if you were looking to buy a new smartphone in this price range, then you can definitely buy this one. I would highly recommend it. So anyway, that's been it. This was my video about the OnePlus 12R. Do let me know what you feel about it in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.